In China, a 44-year-old woman went to the hospital for a simple headache, but what doctors found left them speechless. Her brain was missing, completely. Instead of grey matter, her skull was filled with clear fluid. And yet, she was living a perfectly normal life. Doctors were baffled by the discovery, unable to comprehend how someone could function without a brain. They began to conduct tests and research, eager to uncover the mystery of her condition. The woman shared her story with the team, detailing her experiences and how she had never felt different. Each day was filled with laughter and joy, painting a portrait of a life that defied all medical expectations. Her case became a sensation in the medical community, sparking debates and discussions on the limits of human adaptability. As fascinating as her story was, it served as a reminder that not all mysteries are meant to be solved. As more research emerged, it became clear that the mind's resilience could surpass what was once thought impossible. She continued to inspire others, proving that life can thrive in the most unexpected ways. Her journey reached beyond the confines of science, resonating with people around the world. Through her volunteer work, she emphasized that understanding and compassion are just as crucial as medical knowledge. As her story went viral, she became a symbol of hope, showing that life can flourish despite unexpected challenges. Each moment spent with loved ones reminded everyone how precious and resilient the human spirit truly is. Experts began to reconsider long-held beliefs about brain functionality, emphasizing the need for more studies on adaptation. In her quiet moments, she reflected on her unique journey, revealing a depth of understanding and appreciation for life. The scientific community rallied around her case, eager to unlock new insights into brain health and functionality. In her engagement with others, she found solace connecting deeply with those facing their own challenges. Her story became a powerful example of the brain's incredible adaptability, prompting new avenues for research. In serene moments by the water, she embraced gratitude for every experience, knowing her life was a remarkable journey. Attention grew around groundbreaking discoveries, illuminating paths that once seemed impossible in neuroscience. Among peers, she felt a renewed sense of purpose, her journey inspiring others to dream bigger and pursue their passions relentlessly. Cutting-edge technology began to unveil mysteries of the mind, changing the narrative of brain injuries and recovery. Through mentorship, she ignited curiosity in the next generation, believing every dreamer could contribute to the future. With each milestone achieved in research, hope surged, igniting a flame in the hearts of many impacted by neurological conditions. In the warmth of friendship and love, she celebrated life, cherishing every moment that led her to this point. Gatherings focused on personal experiences highlighted the power of shared stories in healing and transformation. In tranquil moments with her pet, she found peace, continually reminded of her strength and the beauty of life's unpredictability. Community interest blossomed as people gathered to learn about innovative approaches to brain health and recovery. On stage, recounting her journey, she inspired all present to believe in their own possibilities and resilience. Discourse flourished as diverse voices came together to tackle pressing challenges in brain research and health advocacy. Engaging with the bright minds of tomorrow, she fueled their passion for science, encouraging them to chase their dreams with vigor. Collaboration transcended borders as researchers worldwide united in pursuit of knowledge and solutions. Honored for her impactful work, she stood amidst applause, heartened by the recognition and camaraderie that defined her journey. Her empathetic visits brought hope and joy to those facing recovery, strengthening the bond between researcher and community. In the lab, vibrant discussions ignited innovation as collective ideas paved the way for new discoveries. Together, they celebrated not just scientific achievements, but the relationships forged through their work. Holding a letter of gratitude, she felt a profound connection, realizing the true impact of her journey extended far beyond the lab. Inspiring talks resonated across audiences as she shared her vision of hope and recovery in neuroscience. At the community fair, her enthusiasm lit up young faces, igniting dreams of future scientists eager to make their mark. Their innovative project captured global attention, drawing admiration from fellow scientists and the public alike. In peaceful solitude, she savored life's simple joys, reminding herself of the dedication that led her to this fulfilling path. Dynamic exchanges sparked new ideas as industry leaders and researchers collaborated to forge a brighter future in brain science. Amidst cheers and applause, her heart swelled with pride, knowing the team's hard work had been honored at last. Empowering the next generation, she led engaging workshops that ignited curiosity and passion for neuroscience. At the symposium, captivating visuals accompanied her insights, sparking lively discussions among attendees eager to delve deeper into the field. Tears of joy marked their reunion as the impact of her research came full circle, showcasing the human connection at the heart of science. Back in the lab, her determination shone through as she meticulously analyzed data driven by a passion for discovery.